The Sport of Kings now, the Anthony Nunes-trained of a Revolution, seeks his second victory from 4 starts on local soil when he takes on 6 rivals in Saturday's feature event at Caymanas Park. Spencer Darlington has our racing preview.
The American-bred 7-year-old chestnut horse of a Revolution, to be ridden by 2-time reigning champion jockey Radish Roman, is the 9-5 Ante-Poste favorite for Saturday's Reggae Month trophy, a 3-year-old and up open allowance contest over the 5 straight course. The others being well supported in the field of 7 are Zulu Warrior at 2-1 with champion apprentice Demar Williams, Mighty Gully at 5-2 with apprentice Tajay Suku, and Money Market also at 5-2 with former champion jockey Dane Dawkins. Of a Revolution, who made a winning debut on Mute Mile Day, has since had to settle for the runner-up spot in his 2 subsequent races, going 6.5 furlongs on January 31 and 7 furlongs on January 1. Despite taking on the straight course for the first time locally, he has been working well over the distance at exercise, and a capital effort is expected once again. Mighty Gully, who won over the straight course almost 3 months ago in the overnight allowance category, comes in pretty light for this assignment and could be a very dangerous contender. The very fit and consistent pair of Zulu Warrior and Money Market should also figure prominently in the outcome. The lineup is completed by Atlantic Convoy with apprentice Garvin Harris, Blue Vinyl, the mount of Shane Richardson, and Mac and Rome to be partnered by apprentice Emilio McLean. The feature event is slated as race number 9 at 4:55 p.m., while first post for the 10-race card is 11:35 a.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.